Side hustles and passive income. Why multiple income streams matter, understanding financial security and independence. How side hustles and passive income build long-term wealth. Why multiple income streams matter. Welcome to our Side Hustles and Passive Income course. In this lesson, we'll explore why having multiple income streams is essential for financial security and long-term wealth. Whether you want extra savings, early retirement, or more financial freedom, this strategy is a game changer. Understanding financial security and independence. Financial security means having enough income to cover your needs and unexpected expenses. Financial independence, on the other hand, is when your passive income covers all your living costs, allowing you to work because you want to, not because you have to. Example: Person A has only one job and struggles when unexpected expenses arise. Person B has a job, plus freelance work, plus passive income, stocks, rental property, and is more financially secure. How side hustles and passive income build wealth. Side hustles give you extra cash flow, allowing you to save and invest more. If invested wisely, this money compounds over time, helping you grow wealth without relying on a single paycheck. Breakdown. Step 1. Earn extra from a side hustle, freelancing, online store, etc. Step 2. Invest the extra income, stocks, real estate, business. Step 3. Your investments generate passive income. Step 4. Over time, passive income grows, leading to financial independence. On-screen, case study clips, images, or animated graphics. Pat Flynn lost his job, started a blog, monetized through affiliate marketing, now earns passive income. Graham Stephan, real estate agent who built wealth through YouTube, real estate investing, and online courses. Ordinary people. Many people use freelancing, e-commerce, or investments to generate additional income and escape financial struggles. Now that you understand why multiple income streams matter, let's move forward. In the next lesson, we'll help you identify the best side hustle for you. Start thinking about what skills, interests, and opportunities you can leverage to earn extra income. Active versus passive income. Definition and key differences. Examples of active versus passive income sources. How to transition from active to passive income, choosing the right side hustle. Identifying your skills, passions, and market demand. Evaluating risk, time commitment, and profitability. Active versus passive income definition and key differences. Side-by-side comparison of active versus passive income. Active versus passive income. There are two main ways people make money: active income and passive income. Active income requires your time and effort, such as a 9-to-5 job or freelancing. You exchange hours for money. On the other hand, passive income is money earned with minimal effort after the initial setup, like rental income, investments, or digital products. The goal is to transition from active income to passive income over time. Example: active, a graphic designer who gets paid per project. Passive, a graphic designer who sells templates online and earns while sleeping. Examples of active versus passive income sources. Salary or wages. Freelancing, writing, designing, consulting. Driving for Uber or food delivery. Examples of passive income. Rental properties, affiliate marketing, YouTube ad revenue, dividend stocks, selling online courses or ebooks. How to transition from active to passive income. Start with an active income source. Job, freelancing. Use some of your active income to create passive income streams. Invest in stocks, start a blog, buy rental property. Slowly scale your passive income so it overtakes your active income. Achieve financial freedom by relying on passive income. Choosing the right side hustle. Identifying your skills, passions, and market demand. On screen, 3 overlapping circles: skills, passion, demand. To choose the best side hustle, focus on these 3 factors: skills, passion, and market demand. You need something you're good at, something you enjoy, and something people are willing to pay for. Example: you love writing. Passion: you reskilled in blogging. Skill: companies need blog content. Market demand: freelance blogging is a great side hustle. List 5 skills you have. List 3 things you love doing. Research if there's demand for them online. Evaluating risk, time commitment, and profitability. Not all side hustles are created equal. Some are quick and easy, while others take time and investment. Before choosing, evaluate 3 things: risk, time, and profitability. Exercises to help you choose your ideal side hustle. Write down 3 side hustles that fit your skills, passion, and demand. Research potential earnings for each. Pick one and create a 30-day action plan to start. Now that you understand active versus passive income and how to choose the right side hustle, it's time to take action. Choose a side hustle that fits your strengths and start working on it today. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into specific side hustle ideas and how to launch them successfully. Don't forget to download the worksheet for this lesson and subscribe for more financial tips. Comment below, what side hustle are you starting?